In this video, I am going to explain whether you can have more than one ISA, and I'm also going to explain the different types of ISA that are available. But before I do that, please make sure if you find this video useful in any way that you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because it helps us to help more people. An ISA is a savings or investment account where your money can grow tax-free. Currently, you can save or invest up to a maximum of £20,000 in any given tax year into an ISA, and in this video I explain how the ISA limit works and whether you can invest in more than one type of ISA. So can you invest in more than one ISA? Well, the simple answer is yes, you can have more than one ISA, but you cannot open more than one ISA in each ISA category in a given tax year. So what are the different types of ISA? Well, there are four main types of ISA you can invest in, and they are a cash ISA, a stocks and shares ISA, a lifetime ISA, and an innovative finance ISA. And I explain each type of ISA in more detail in our video, which is shown above and you can access via the description below. So in the same tax year, you can open a cash ISA, one stocks and shares ISA, one lifetime ISA, and one innovative finance ISA, as I mentioned. Now, there are a couple of important points to note. Firstly, you must be aged between 18 and 40 to open a lifetime ISA, and the maximum annual contribution for a lifetime ISA is £4,000. Your total ISA contribution across all of these in a given tax year must not exceed £20,000. So you could, for example, decide to put £6,000 into a cash ISA, £6,000 into a stocks and shares ISA, and £4,000 into a lifetime ISA, and finally £4,000 into an innovative finance ISA. It is also worth noting that parents or grandparents can also open a junior ISA on behalf of a child. Now, they can choose between a cash junior ISA or a stocks and shares junior ISA, and the maximum annual contribution for a junior ISA is currently £9,000, but that is separate to your own personal ISA allowance of £20,000. So in summary, you can invest in more than one ISA, but there are two basic rules which you need to comply with. Your total maximum investment in any given tax year across all those different types of ISA cannot exceed £20,000. And if you want to invest in more than one ISA, then you must invest in different types of ISA. If you are new to investing, then I would also suggest you read our article, The Best and Cheapest Investment ISAs for Beginners, and our article, The 6 Best Stocks and Shares ISAs, which we reveal the best buys based on cost, investment choice, and ease of use. And I've provided links to both of those articles in the notes below this video. Finally, check out my video titled Pension versus ISA, which is the better investment, where I explain the benefits of investing in both a pension and an ISA and why they offer a great way to save for retirement. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you found this video useful in any way, please make sure you like it and you also subscribe to our channel, because it helps us to help more people in the UK with their finances.